Jeevan Sathi. It's Rajesh Khanna and Tanuja. Rajesh Khanna is in love with Tanuja, and Tanuja is a doctor, MBBS. And what happens in the beginning, everything was hunky dory. Rajesh Khanna used to visit the hospital, and he was a painter, he was an artist. But he was misunderstood by Tanuja's father as being a person who used to indulge in female nude painting. So he even rejected the proposal, marriage matrimonial alliance, and he said that he's not of a good character. But later on, when he came to know, when the secret was unearthed, that he's a man who actually goes out of his way to help the poor, and he indulges in regular prayers and all. The matrimonial alliance was all set in, but tragedy struck just before they were about to tie the knot. He was just driving through, and there he was in her thoughts. Tanuja was playing games with his, like she was just romancing in his head. And what happens, the car all of a sudden speeded up, maybe the brake failed or something like that, and it speeded up, and at that moment he took out a cigarette and he's smoking. That scene I particularly didn't like. Who will have that much of actually energy to take out, even in crisis you want to just save your life? And voila, the car skid and it fell in the valley, and he was all stranded on the surface of the forest. And there Helen has enacted the role well, although she is not in a positive role in this movie. She's a princess in the movie, and she's on the horse with two of his servants at the back of the horse. And then she sees him and she rescues him. She's in love with Rajesh Khanna, but Rajesh Khanna never used to reciprocate her feelings. She brought him to the house and disclosed it that he's dead. And then the treatment happened, medical treatment happened in the house, and this way she could have full control over Rajesh Khanna. But after the operation was done, he was blind, and there Tanuja came to know that he is dead. So she was heartbroken, she was in shock. But later on, as life moves on, she also moved on. But later on, after a few months, he reappeared, and then she was very happy, elated, and she swore to take up the treatment to actually get his eyesight back. And the operation was done, and luckily he regained his eyesight. And the movie has lovely songs. Rajesh Khanna movies have usually, like, the songs are fabulous. It's very melodious, and then both of them get together, everything is hunky-dory, and it's Helen and all, she is not there at all. She was defeated, and even the villain, few factors here, there, negative factors, they were also defeated. Sujit Kumar is also there, but he is not in a negative role in this movie. It's a must watch for everyone. It's very entertaining, 4.5 to 5 stars.